Hello guys, welcome to another Python tutorial. From this tutorial on, we'll be using IntelliJ from PyCharm IDE from JetBrains as a IDE to write the Python code. So you can download the community version here, and then you can download and install. When you start a new project, it will ask you to enter the Python interpreter. It will detect automatically for you. If not, you have to locate it as it's shown here, and then create a new project. So in this tutorial, okay, that's it for that. And once you set up your IDE, then you could start watching the tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be like getting the categorical variables, like the data that are not numerical. Color, for example, color, Boolean data like yes, no, good, bad, very good, very bad, poor. How are you gonna like judge it? So some Python we're going to see how it's done, and then in Python there are like in libraries they have a variety of algorithms. Some algorithms can accept the categorical variables, some won't accept, so it will store those categorical variables as numbers. uh, so it's better to get comfortable with the categorical values, and then uh, see how it goes from there. So let's see a small example of a categorical value. In this tutorial, we'll be like defining a few colors for car, and then we're gonna like match it with. Sorry, I'm just messing it up. So we're gonna define few colors, three colors, and the car should be only in these colors. And then we're gonna like feed raw data, like file data. Sorry, I'm messing that up. Wait. Sure, I'll start writing the code and I'll start explaining it simultaneously. Import pandas as 3D car color car data. We start feeding the data, so we are going to use the pandas series. Uh, in this, you have to specify pd dot categorical just to let pandas know that it's a categorical data. So inside this, you specify the colors. The color of the cars that are available in the market. So let's keep it like that. Colors of the car available in the market: green, red, blue. Then we end this with comma, press enter, and then you specify uh, the categories equals. So these are all the cars that are allowed: red, green, blue. And it takes another data type, another argument, sorry. Ordered. Is it ordered as the order has any effect on the data type? No. So you say false. It's false. And then that's all. So we're gonna like search from the list. Search data, search answer. PD. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna go through each and every single data that you're feeding in here, and it's gonna check with this one. If it is not present, if this color is not present, it's gonna make it and not available or not a number. And so let's go ahead and print to see like what's happening actually there. I press the F5, cancel this one, and right click and press run. So it says NA for all. It seems it's case sensitive. Green, red, blue. Let's have one more to this. Purple. Save this, clear this, and run this. So it's this thing is not in the categories that you have specified, so it's NA, and this thing is not specified, so it's NA, and rest all as what it is. Now what we're gonna do is like we're gonna search. I mean locate those NAs, and then we're gonna like print them out. So search equals pd dot is null car data. So this thing, let's see what's the what this thing does. Save and run. The first one is true, yeah, it's null, and the last one is true because it's null. Rest all not null because it's in the categorical value. So we just gonna extract those true values. So go to search, and then in mm, you're gonna pick them. It's gonna return, right? So it's gonna return the output. So those return is equals true. If it is true, then print them out. Save and then right click. So it's printed out. Okay, let's also print the data. So it's easy for us to visualize. Print car data. I pressed F5 again. Sorry, I was unhabituated. I'll get over that soon. Okay, the first one is NA, not a number, and the last one is not a number because it's not in the categories list. And then it says the data type is a category, and then 3 objects which are red, green, and blue, which are the categories that we have specified. And the rest, so here we took out the ones that are not in the list. So by using this line of code, so the first one, which is not a number, so it's printed out the first one, and the fourth one it's printed out. Let's see what happens if we just go those to convert them to the ones that are available in the category, and right click and run again. So you have no data, all of 0, 1, 2, 3. So you have no, so it's all in the category. So it's like everything is satisfied, so you don't get anything that's true. So if you print this out, just take this off and true, you get to see all of false. Save and right click and run. So all are false. So yeah, so everything satisfies this category. That's a reason all are false. Maybe it's a bit confusing, but we get to know more about this in a future video tutorial. So subscribe. If you have any comments, then post below, like the video, and thanks for watching. Talk to you guys in the next video.